Hi, I'm Hadas from Canva. Welcome to my channel and to the Canva Snacks, a series of bite-sized tutorials in less than 5 minutes to teach you how to use Canva at its best. Please subscribe so you'll get notified every time a Canva snack is uploaded to the channel, and you're most welcome to also join my Facebook community called Canva. Although in Hebrew, you can easily translate and enjoy free tips, tricks, and lots of inspiration. So, are you ready? Let's go! You can add transparency to any object in your design. It can be a photo, an element, a background, a text box. So how do we do that? Super easy. All you have to do is click on your object, let's say for example this video, go up here to the white bar, click on the transparency tab. It looks like a checkers board, so let's just click on that and move the scale. And then you see the transparency up to the point where it disappears completely. So we can do that to our background. We can also click on this object, this rectangle, go to the transparency and make it a little transparent. We can also do this for the text. A good idea would be if you'd like to use your logo with a watermark, then you can just add your logo. So let's say I have my logo up here. I can just go to the transparency tab and make it transparent so it looks like a watermark. So many wonderful things you can do with transparency. One click and that's it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the snack. Now, if you don't own a Pro account and you'd like to give it a try, I will be very happy to give you 45 days to try out Canva Pro for free. No strings attached. You'll find the link in the comments below. I'll see you all next time. Bye.